You need leads to make sales, but how do you consistently bring new prospects into your pipeline? The answer is lead magnets. But what exactly is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is anything offered for free in exchange for a recipient's email address. Email addresses are so important for every business. According to Benchmark, in 2020, for every dollar spent on email marketing, you earned $38. That means your ROI was 38 to 1. That's a pretty fantastic ROI. And the fastest way to build your email list is by creating a fantastic lead magnet strategy. Here are a few things to consider. It's important that your lead magnet attracts the right people, your ideal client. And the goal of your lead magnet is to build your email list, but ultimately it's to make sales. And this is done by creating something of true value, something that your ideal client really wants. So what does that look like? So the first thing is solve your prospect's problem. If you can create a lead magnet that truly fixes their problem, solves their problem, that's a fantastic lead magnet. Quick and easy to digest. PDFs, checklists, swipe files, and done-for-you templates are all great. The third thing is provides a quick win. If your lead magnet provides your prospect a really quick win, they're going to feel successful and they're going to want to work with you because of how that makes them feel. Instant accessibility is important because we all like instant gratification, so make sure your lead magnet is delivered promptly. Make it specific and related to your video. Talk about the benefits of your lead magnet and how it relates to the content in your video. Showcase your expertise. Your lead magnet can give you authority in your niche as well as building like and trust. Hi, I'm Kirsten, and we love helping entrepreneurs leverage video marketing with the help of a marketing virtual assistant. So if you want to learn more about outsourcing and marketing, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's talk about some lead magnet ideas. Checklist, templates, swipe files, marketing calendar. People love things that are done for them, so these are great ideas. Quizzes, surveys, and giveaways. These can be really interactive and fun. They can also give you great insight into what your prospect is thinking. Everyone loves free. You can offer a free session, free access to an online course, a free consultation, or a free trial of your service. SaaS companies, which are software as a service, they do a great job at offering a free trial. It could be 7 days or 14 days because they know if you try the software and you love it, you're going to subscribe to that software. So free trials are very popular in a lot of different industries. It gives your prospect an opportunity to experience what it would be like to work with you and your company. So please don't underestimate the value of free when you're putting together your lead magnet. Things like ebooks and workbooks and guides are also a fantastic idea. In fact, we offer a free guide on how to double your income with the help of a marketing virtual assistant. If you'd like to grab that, I'll put it in the description below. But the cool thing about ebooks, workbooks, and guides are they're really easy to create in a software like Canva, so you can make them look absolutely amazing and on brand. Remember, you only get one chance to make a good first impression, so you do want to make sure they're all designed nicely and branded to your company. Here are a few more ideas. Video training, webinars, audiobooks, mini course, or a challenge. These things can often have a higher perceived value than, say, a guide or an ebook. When you're creating your lead magnets, you want to mix them up. You have different video content on your YouTube channel, so you're going to want to have different lead magnets. So some of them could be checklists, guides, ebooks, webinars, video training. You really want to utilize all of these different forms of lead magnets and track the results. See what your audience wants more. Are they more likely to opt in for an ebook or for a mini course? This information, this data on what your prospects like will help you create opt-ins that will truly grow your email list and will convert to sales. So in the comments below, I would love to know, what is your favorite lead magnet? This could be something that you have signed up for, a lead magnet that you requested, or this could be a lead magnet that you're offering right now that's getting really good results. When creating your lead magnet, please keep in mind that getting high quality leads is far more important than the number of leads that you get. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.